Hello friends, today we will discuss about in APP basic anatomical positions in human being. In healthcare professionals use common specific term for the body structure and function. ह्यूमन बीइंग के बॉडी में स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शन के लिए स्पेसिफिक टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज की जाती है दैट आर फर्स्ट बॉडी पोजीशन डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ एनी रीजन or part of the body specific stance called anatomical position. For example, in body laying face down, that is prone position. When body laying face up, that is called supine position. Regional name: body divided several regions, for example head, body, trunk, upper limb, lower limb. The head consists of skull and face. The skull enclosed and protect brain by meninges. The trunk consists of chest, abdomen and pelvis. Upper limb attached to trunk and consists of shoulder, arm, etc. etc. To a regional name some of the body parts and directional term locate body structure, anatomy, use specific directional terms. Use directional terms. For example, in anatomical position erect facing the observer with head and eyes forward anterior view. When anatomical position back of the skull, the observer with head and eyes backward posterior view. For some basic terminology are superior towards the head, the upper part of the structure, inferior away from the head or lower part of the structure, anterior near to front of body, posterior near to back of the body, middle near to middle, lateral further from midline, distal further from the attachment of the limb, superficial towards on the surface of body, deep away from the surface of body. Next will be planes and sections of the body. Plane and section explains imaginary flat surface that pass through the body parts. For example, sagittal plane, vertical plane divided body or organ into right and left side. When plane pass to the middle, divided body into equal half. Medial plane, vertical line that divided body into left and right side, that is called medial plane. Coronal plane, divided body organ into anterior front and posterior front. Transverse plane, body और organ upper and lower portion में divide करेगा. क्रॉस सेक्शन हॉरिजॉन्टल और oblique. Then body cavities, these are spaces within body that protect, separate and support internal organ. For example, cranial cavity, bicranial bones and brain form the cranial cavity. Vertebral cavity, bivertebral column contain spinal cord and spinal nerves. Thoracic cavity, pleural and pericardial cavities and mediastinum. Pleural cavity, serous membrane, each pleural cavity. Pericardial cavity surround the heart. Abdominal cavity contain stomach, spleen, liver, gallbladder, small intestine and large intestine. In abdominal cavity hang out. Pelvic cavity, urinary bladder, portion of large intestine and internal organ of the reproduction.